guys, welcome to the workout. 2 minutes of abs and conditioning today. Okay, we are starting on the floor with our legs straight up and we are reaching those fingertips to our toes. We're doing abs here, okay? Now we're gonna do punches as fast as you can, Punch, punch, punch. Good, good. Keep going strong, Good, 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 good. All right, back to crunches, guys. Good job. Just keep this going strong. You got it. And back to punches. Now we're punching outward. Good. Burn those arms out. Good. Getting that heart rate up. Good job. Now we're going back to crunches. All right. Good. Keep those abs tight. Exhale as you come up. Good job. And now we're back to punches. Good. Keep this going nice and strong. As strong as you can. As fast as you can. Good job. Good. Big punches. Good. Keep that going strong. And now we are going to sit-ups. I want your legs spread out wide. You're going to come back, reach back all the way to touch the ground. Then you're going to reach forward to touch the ground in front of you. Okay? We're just going all the way back and then all the way up. All right, just keep those legs apart and you're just coming back and then powering it up as you rise up. Good job. All right, good job, everyone. These are great sit-ups. Good, really getting those abs. All right, now we're gonna go to hip rotations, and this is a tricky one, okay? As your left leg comes forward, your right arm comes up so that it can kind of like kick through. Okay, you're just kind of rotating at the hips, okay? This is a core workout. Okay, and to finish it off strong, we're going quick feet. Good job, everyone. Keep going. Quick. As fast as you can. Get that heart rate up. Good. All right, everyone. Good job. Way to work. Finish it strong. All right, way to work today, guys. Great job. Go out and make it a great day.